Good morning. I welcome you all to this special session of awareness regarding the stock market is concerned and our various courses. Home Innovations Institute of Financial Markets welcomes you. Our mission is to develop profitable investors. Welcome you all. When you enter this room, learning is fun and cooperation is expected. Our positive attitude and mutual respect are part of everything we do and say. Change your financial life. Create the life you desire. Most of the time, we live the life which we don't want to because of some circumstances in our life. But choose the life you want to live unless you have the vision. Okay? So build a rewarding career in sharebazar or stock market. Do you agree? Yeah, we believe that money comes to me easily and effortlessly. With the help of the knowledge, we can achieve this. Let's see how. So, Stockage is our brand name. Home Innovations is our company name and Stockage is our brand name. Why Stockage? Investment is a business of trust. Home Innovations under the brand name Stockage has been a trusted name in the field of stock market training, financial advice and investments for more than 10 years. A proprietary business established in 2006 has steadily grown over the years to become one of the leading wealth creators in Maharashtra. Stockage is credited with being a pioneer in popularizing the concept of wealth creation from the comfort of home in innovative and systematic way. Stockage aims to help every individual for achieving financial goals in one's life. Our major focus would be to create awareness among people at large to be an innovative and systematic trader and investor to maximize the chances of making money. Stockage helps graduates from commerce and engineering fields to choose the right career with industry-related curriculum for developing in-demand skills and build a future-ready career to serve in top companies. Join Stockage to kickstart your career with industry-relevant curriculum for developing in-demand skills and build a future-ready career to serve in top companies. Now let's see why everyone needs a coach. You must be having various dreams in your life. What are your passions? What are your financial goals? And what skills you are possessing now? So every expert, for example Sachin Tendulkar also has a coach, because coach can see the mistakes what the person is making, which he himself cannot see and point out. So coach helps him to achieve the excellence. For that, we will see a short video.
Hey, can you help me? Hey, how can I help you? I want to cross over. You want to cross over with me? What have you tried so far? I tried to swim. I saw a fish doing that once. You tried eating a fish. What else? I tried to jump high. I saw a bird flying over the street. You tried being a bird? What else? I saw a beaver once spilled in the dark and thought that might work. You tried being a beaver? Would you like it under the skin? What do you see? Dunno. Water? And my reflection. Excellent. What do you see in that reflection? Is that a fish? No, it isn't. Is it a bird? No. Is it a beaver? It's not a beaver. So what is it? It's a fox. So you're a fox trying to play puppets. The others knew easily what I want to do. So a fox can't do it. No, there must be a way. Can you see a solution here? Indeed I can. Then tell me. Be a fox, my friend. I am a fox. Then act like one. What would a fox do? I don't know. Foxes don't have skill for crossing over streams. What are their skills? Foxes are smart, observe, adapt. Great. So, now, show me how you're playing. Wait, look! The stream is decreasing! So, if I wait 2 hours... Oh, amazing! Oh, thank you! You are a fox. Well done, my friend.
So we have seen that a coach will help you to achieve your financial goals, right? Okay, so let's move ahead. So there are 4 types of people doing various activities, right? One is employee, another self-employed, then business owner and investor. There are 4 categories of people who are working in the world. Employee has a job. Self-employed, he owns a job. Business owner has a system and people work for him. Investor, money works for him. Let's see how. Here, employee, we have these 2 categories, first and second part. So you must be knowing what is active income and what is passive income. So active income is that income which we work for and we get paid for. Passive income is that income which we work once and we continue to get on recurring basis. So almost 95% of the population falls in the first category, where employee and self-employed people are there, and only about 5% population falls in the second category, who are business owners and investors. So employee and self-employed, trading time for money, starting over every day at 0. But business owner and investor makes money with or without their presence in the office. 4 ways to produce income. So employee have a job. He works for 8 hours for a month. So he gets his salary at the end of the month. Self-employed, for example, a doctor. He goes in hospital, operates, daily he goes and continues till a month. He also get paid. His payment is better than the employee category because he has some special skills. On the other hand, the business owner own a system. So people are working for him. So it is money is multiplying many folds. And investors, this is what actually we all want to become. So money is working for them. Money works for you. So Robert Kiyosaki has explained this ESBI concept that employee exchanges his time and effort for an income. He don't work, he will not get paid. In case of self-employed, he work for himself, but can he take 6 week holiday and his business keeps on going without him? No. But on the other hand, the big businesses, for example, Reliance company, even if Mukesh Ambani doesn't go to office for 10 days, his work is not affected, because these people have people working hard for them to generate them an income. On the other hand, investor, they are the people that have money working hard for them, and they play golf and live the good life. So on the first category, where employee and self-employee, these people know how to do the work. But on the second part, where business owners and the investors are there, here they know why they are doing the things. So this is the main difference. The first category focuses on how, and the second category focuses on why particular work needs to be done. ये काम क्यों करना है मुझे? So that why is more important. The cash flow quadrant explained by Robert Kiyosaki, as we are seeing that ESBI, employee, self-employed, business owner and investor. Employee has a job, he doesn't have any leverage, he works, he get paid. For example, a person in his lifetime works for 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, 52 weeks in a year, and 40 years in the total lifetime, because he starts job around 25 and gets retired at age of 65. So in this total tenure of 40 years, he worked for 83,200 hours in the working life of 40 years. On the other hand, the business has the leverage because people are working for them. A businessman, say Mr. Mukesh Ambani, in his Reliance company has 10,000 employees working for 8 hours a day. So 10,000 employees into 8 hours is 80,000 hours a day in a single day. So a person, individual, works around 80,000 hours in total working life, whereas the same work is getting done with the businessman in a single day. How much a person can earn in total lifetime? If we say that an average salary in India is around 15,000 rupees a month, so at the max around 60 to 70 lakhs in total years of his working life. So here on the other hand, business people are getting the same amount in a single day. So that is the main difference. Here people are working for them, so they have the leverage. So I would rather earn 1% of 100 people's effort than 100% of my own efforts. So this is the smart way of working. बड़ा आदमी बनना है तो लाइन क्रॉस करनी होगी. ये लाइन कौन सी है? This is this line. So from first quadrant to where to go to this second category. From this category where to go to this category to get the financial freedom. Okay. So we have to move from this to this, employee to self-employee, then from smooth transition from self-employed to small business owner, then from business owner to investors, where money is working for you. Okay, this will give you the leverage and the life which you wanted to live as per your wish. Okay, let me introduce myself. Viveaknarkhede, stock market consultant and business coach. I have done my BTech from LIT Nagpur in 1988 and worked for almost 2 decades with BARC, Baba Atomic Research Center, as a scientific officer. Then we started this Home Innovations, our company, under the brand name of Stockage in 2006. We say never depend on single income. Make investments to create a second source. Okay? We are promoting stock market for second source of income, because whatever your earnings may be, from whatever the profession may be, you need to invest your money wisely. So what is an investment? Think. Let me share. What is investment? The money you earn is partly spent and the rest saved for meeting future expenses. Instead of keeping the savings idle, you may like to use savings in order to get return on it in the future. This is called investment. Why should one invest? One needs to invest to earn return on your idle resources, generate a specified sum of money for a specific goal in life, make a provision for an uncertain future. One of the important reasons why one needs to invest wisely is to meet the cost of inflation. What is inflation? महंगाई. Inflation is the rate at which the cost of living increases. For example, the gas cylinder of our LPG gas cylinder which we use in our kitchen was around 200 to 300 rupees in 2002, but now the same cylinder is costing around 1000 rupees. So this is the impact of inflation. So one should not forget the inflation, which is the rate at which cost of living increases. So one need to increase his resources and not only grumble कि महंगाई बढ़ गई अब क्या करें. Okay? So we want the financial freedom for the ultimate happiness. So what is financial freedom? Financial freedom is much more than having money. It is the freedom to be who you really are and do what you really want in life. आप जो करना चाहते हैं वो लाइफ में करने की आज़ादी मतलब फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम है. And many of us, especially women, lose sight of this by putting others first and playing many different roles such as parent, spouse, employee, friend and more. Educated housewives बहुत बार ऐसा होता था कि घर के कुछ परिस्थिति की वजह से वो जॉब नहीं कर पाते या they cannot source any income. So for them, we are actually providing the best source through stock market. If you learn the stock market skills, you can earn a handsome income. Now, enjoying the rewards of financial freedom is simply a matter of increasing your financial knowledge, so that your wise investments will give you good returns, and rather you working for money, make money working for you. Isn't it good? Okay? So to be financially free, what you have to do? You must understand how financial obligations influence your priorities. आपके priorities क्या है वो पहले decide करो. चूज ए गुड नेम ओवर रिचेस। मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हम लोग ब्रांड के पीछे भागते हैं, वही चीज़ हमें दूसरे ब्रांड में अच्छी और सस्ती भी मिल सकती है। वर्क डिलीजेंटली, कॉन्कर स्लॉथफुलनेस, आलसीपन जो है उसे छोड़िए। लिव विद इन योर मीन्स, टू लिव विद इन योर means that what you spend each month is less than or at least equal to the amount of money you bring in each month। मतलब क्या है कि जितना पैसा आप कमा रहे हो उससे आपका खर्च कम होना चाहिए। For many people it is lot easier said than done, क्योंकि आजकल इतना इजीली लोन्स अवेलेबल है, क्रेडिट कार्ड्स, लोन, सेविंग्स इन एंड इवन इमरजेंसी फंड्स अलाउ यू टू बाय मोर थिंग्स देन योर इनकम वुड अलाउ। मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी विजिट दी एग्जीबिशंस, और जो चीज़ हमको नहीं चाहिए वो भी हम लोग सेल्स में उठा लेते हैं क्योंकि ऑफर चल रहा है, इसके लिए हम लोग ले लेते हैं। सो मेक वाइज परचेसेस, अवॉइड डेब्ट। कर्जा कम लेना चाहिए या नहीं लेना चाहिए, जितनी अपनी चादर है उतनी ही काम करना चाहिए। ट्राई टू गेट द बेस्ट बाय, ऑलवेज सी दैट यू गेट वैल्यू फॉर मनी। ओके, यू नो दिस पर्सन, Bill Gates. What Bill Gates says, if you born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, it's definitely your mistake. What is roti? पापी पेट का सवाल है, इसीलिए हर कोई काम कर रहा है। अगर भूख नहीं लगती, पेट को अगर भूख नहीं लगती तो हम लोग शायद काम ना करते। So what is roti? Roti is return on time invested. You are also working for 20, आपको भी 24 घंटे है दिन के, मुकेश अंबानी को भी 24 घंटे है, अमिताभ बच्चन को भी 24 घंटे है, but their returns are different from each other. Why so? Because they are having different skills, they are having different talents, and according to their talent and skills their returns are decided. So return on time invested. Do you feel that rich people are lucky? Some may say yes, some may say that they have made their own career. That's true, because they are laboring under correct knowledge. Whatever the knowledge they have, whatever the skills they have, they implement it wisely so that they get the best output. Okay, so let's see how the inflation is affecting our life. In 1940, 10 rupees were sufficient to run a family, and that time a family was consisting about 5-6 people, and only one person is earning member and others are dependent on him. So at that time 10 rupees would have been enough. But if you see in 1960, for the same lifestyle they required 100 rupees, so 10 added. So in 1980 another 0 added, and there the nuclear family started from the 1980. Then after in 2000, after 20 years, again 10 added. So 10,000 would have been sufficient for the same lifestyle they used to live in 1940 or 1960 or 1980 with the nuclear family. हम दो हमारे दो। फिर उसके बाद में कंसेप्ट आया कि भाई हम दो हमारा एक ही, और दिस कंटिन्यूज एंड वी सी दैट इन 2020 we will require at least 1 lakh of rupees to maintain the same lifestyle which we were maintaining in 1940 or 1960 or 1980 or 2000. So this is the effect of inflation. on our day-to-day life. So, formula for financial stability is compounding growth. So, what is money? According to us, money is my only need till end of the years. कहते हैं कि money is not everything, but for everything we require money. Right? पैसा भगवान नहीं है, पर भगवान से कम भी नहीं है. I think you should agree with this. Okay? कंपाउंडिंग अर्निंग तो सभी चाहते हैं, बहुत पैसा तो सभी कमाना चाहते हैं, लेकिन क्या है कि उसके पीछे की जो लर्निंग्स है वो भूल जाते हैं. सो वी शुड नॉट फॉरगेट कंपाउंडिंग लर्निंग्स बिहाइंड कंपाउंडिंग अर्निंग्स. जो लोग बड़े हुए हैं, बड़े बिजनेसमैन, सक्सेसफुल बिजनेसमैन हैं, उन्होंने कितनी मेहनत की है, कितने उन्होंने नए स्किल्स एक्वायर किए हैं, एंड दे हैव इम्प्लीमेंटेड, एंड देन now we are seeing them as a successful person or businessman. Your cash investment can anytime crash, but your investment in brain will give you highest gain. इसका मतलब क्या है कि knowledge is never wasted. Whatever the knowledge you gain will give you always highest gain. So basically for us, we are having three requirements. One is for our physical body, then another is for our mind or mental body, and third is for the spiritual body. So for every stages of life, physical, mental or mind level, and on the spiritual level, for doing these courses we need money. So money is required at every point of time. For even gathering the knowledge, we require to attend the workshops, we require to attend some courses. So they are paid courses. So for everything we require money. So we have to understand this, what is compounding growth and compounding inflation. So inflation, because inflation is also increasing at the compounding rate, as we have seen that in 1940 only 10 rupees were sufficient to run the family, and almost by 2020 we will require around 1 lakh rupees per month to maintain the same lifestyle as we would have maintained in 1940. So inflation, in a simple language, inflation वो राक्षस है जो आपके पैसे को आपके सामने खा रहा है, फिर भी आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Okay, so compounding interest, this actually we learn in our school days. चक्रवर्ती बैच जिसको बोलते हैं, compounding interest. So the principal, you earn interest, and from next year you on interest, also you earn interest. So that is compounding interest. So according to Milton Friedman, inflation is taxation without legislation. बिकॉज इन्फ्लेशन के लिए कोई लॉ नहीं बना है कि भाई ये रेट से इन्फ्लेशन बढ़ना चाहिए. इनकम टैक्स के लिए लॉज बने हैं, सबके लिए लॉज बने हैं, लेकिन इन्फ्लेशन के लिए कोई लॉ नहीं बने. सो कंपाउंडिंग इन्फ्लेशन इज ईटिंग अवे योर एक्चुअल वैल्यू ऑफ मनी. एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं. 2000 साल में, इन ईयर 2000, द कॉस्ट ऑफ MBA एजुकेशन वो इन IIMs was around 2 lakhs rupees. And when the candidates completes the course, and they used to get the salary package of around 3 lakhs rupees per annum. The same course in now is costing around 20 lakhs rupees, and the candidates are getting 9 lakhs of rupees as a package after passing out the MBA curriculum. So the cost of education has increased 10 times, and the cost of earning only increased by 3 times. So expenses increased by 10 times and income increased by 3 times. So compounding inflation is the major wealth destroyer. So most of the people keeps their money in saving account. Almost lot of money, almost 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs is in their saving accounts. So actually, if the inflation is growing at 8% and your savings account is getting 4% rate of interest, so you are actually degrowing. It's negative growth. So you should invest your money, your hard-earned savings in such a way so that this compounding inflation should be suppressed, and whatever the growth we will make in with our investments should be more than the, at least more than the inflation. Then only we will win in the coming years. Okay? So most of the people invest in RD, recurring deposits, LIC, some cash is kept at home for emergencies. Then gold is the एक पसंदीदा आइटम है लेडीज का. Fixed deposits, bonds. So these traditional instruments, definitely we should have a balance between all these investments, but we should not put our savings in such instruments because this will not give you much returns. So what is income? इनकम क्या है? इनकम किसको बोलेंगे? अगर मैंने लॉटरी का टिकट लिया जो कहता है कि भाई ये लॉटरी लगने के बाद में आपको 1 करोड़ की लॉटरी लगेगी, सो विल दैट लॉटरी टिकट विल बी माई इनकम? नो. सो व्हाट इज इनकम? Income is that amount which we get consistently month after month. So that amount is consistent and the frequency is also consistent so that we can plan our expenses. हमको मालूम है कि at the end of the month I will get this much salary, so that accordingly we plan our expenses. So income is consistent in amount and frequency. What are human needs? Financial freedom is the first topmost priority. Then we have peace of mind, then health and energy, and loving relationship. But our total life goes in achieving the number one, that is financial freedom, and then also we don't achieve the financial freedom even though we are in the rat race. Day in day out we are working for 10 hours, 12 hours, by disturbing our peace of mind, by disturbing our health, and by disturbing even our relations with our own people. So ultimately, for whom actually we are doing everything? So when we can enjoy? So one need to think on this. How we can achieve financial freedom? So these are the money equations. Most of the people live with these equations. Let's find out what is your equation. You yourself can find out in which equation you fall. इनकम आ रहा 10,000 प्लस लोन लिया और एक्सपेंसेस मंथली हो रहे 15 से 20,000, मतलब आमदनी 58, खर्चा रुपया. दूसरे कुछ लोग बोलते हैं भाई जितना आता है उतना खर्चा हो जाता है, इनकम इक्वल टू एक्सपेंस. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं हम लोग इनकम में से एक्सपेंस करके जो बचता है थोड़ा बहुत सेविंग, वो सेविंग करते हैं, जैसे LIC हो गया, FD हो गया, एंड अदर इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आर देयर. पर कुछ जो वाइज लोग हैं वो क्या करते हैं, जो भी इनकम वो कमाते हैं उसमें से 10 या 20% part of that income they save first, and the remaining actually they use for their expenses. So what is the ideal equation for financial freedom? Yes, the fourth one. Whatever may be your income, maybe 10,000, So you save 2000 rupees a month, so it will be 24,000 a year, and in coming 20-30 years it will be a vital sum. And if you invest wisely, so whatever we have seen in the category 2, money will work for you. Let's see the power of compounding. If I put my money in FD at the rate of 7% per annum, suppose in 2015 I have put 1 lakh rupees, so my money gets doubled in every 10 years at the rate of 7%. So in almost 2045, say after 30 years, my 1 lakh would turn to 8 lakhs of rupees in FD. And FD incurs taxes. Whatever the interest you earn, tax is deducted at source. TDS काट के आपको प्रोसीडिंग्स मिलेंगे. मैच्योरिटी अमाउंट जो भी है उसके ऊपर TDS कटता है, उसके बाद वो अपने सेविंग अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर करते हैं. But the same amount, if we invest in stocks, and let's say I get an optimum 25% rate of return on per annum basis, so that 1 lakh will become double in just 3 years. And in this fashion, in 30 years, that 1 lakh will turn to 10.24 crore. Have you ever thought of it? Think. Most worry nowadays is there is no pension. Earlier people used to get, who are in government service, pension, so that 40 years they work, they slog down for 40 years, and at least they are comfortable after in their retirement. At least they are having the peace of mind that some pension they will be getting. It may not be sufficient, but at least some pension will be getting. But nowadays that option is also not there even for government servants. So what we will do? How you will make money after retirement? Because if you see, we work for 40 years in our professional life, from 25 to 65, and we see that almost an average life today in India is 85 to 90. So almost after 60-65 also, we are having another 25 years to live in with the increasing inflation. So how we will make money? Because अभी jobs का problem है, तो at the age of 60-65, who will provide you job? So you need to learn special skills to make money after retirement. So what are those special skills? We say that stock market is a new skill to make money. You have to learn the skills to work in stock market and make money even after retirement. So let's evaluate how the various asset classes have performed during the last 37 years, since 1980 to 2017. So inflation has grown around 7.67% in last 37 years. Gold, our favorite item, has increased 10.21% in 37 years. Bank FD has given 8.39% return, and the Sensex, the stocks, Sensex has given a return of 16.13%. And if you add dividend also to that, so around 18.13% with dividend. So equity outperform all asset classes over long term. Let's see by example. Now assume you have invested 1 lakh each in FD, gold and Sensex 37 years ago. So as of 31st March 2017, if you want to evaluate, your FD will give you 19.75 lakhs as maturity amount. Gold 36.53 lakhs. Sensex has grown to whooping returns of 2.53 crores. So unlike other assets mentioned above, Sensex has dividend yield in addition to capital growth. Assuming a dividend yield duly reinvested of 2% on an average, the Sensex return works out to be 4.76 crores. So this is the real way where money is working for you. Because you need to invest only one time in the stocks and reap the benefits in terms of dividend. So to put it in another way, during last 37 years, fixed deposits has multiplied your wealth by 20 times, gold by 37 times, Sensex by 253 times. So the average annualized inflation for the above period is 7.67%. Now if 1 lakh rupees has been kept under the mattress, तो पुराने ज़माने में लोग करते थे गद्दी के नीचे रख देने का, किचन में लेडीज यूज टू कीप इन डब्बाज. सो अगर 1 लाख रुपए हमने गद्दी के नीचे रख दिए होते तो इट्स वैल्यू वुड हैव बीन अराउंड 5208 ओनली आफ्टर 37 years. Why so? Because the power of compounding inflation. Purchasing power of rupee reduced to by whopping 95% over last 37-year period. So it's our sincere advice, please use FD for contingencies or emergency fund. Let gold be part of social requirement and not exceed 5% to 10% of investment portfolio. Equity is for building wealth. You should always invest in equity for building wealth, and for that you should acquire the necessary skills to do that work. So what are the various options we have? We have fixed deposits which give 6 to 7% return, which doubles your money in 10 years. We have government bonds where 7 to 9% returns, where money is doubled in 8 years. Gold has actually given negative returns in last 5 years. Direct equities returns can range from 40 to 60%. So almost within 2.5 to 3 years your money gets doubled. In mutual funds, if we invest, so we get around 12 to 18% depending on the scheme what we are choosing. So there also we double our money in our around 6 years. Okay, so let's see some well created stocks. क्योंकि लोग बोलते हैं कि भी शेयर मार्केट में पैसा नहीं बनता है. सो ये जो मिथ है, आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शो यू सम फैक्ट्स दैट मारुति, एवरीबडी नोज मारुति सुजुकी. सो मारुति vehicle has cost around 1 to 1.5 lakhs rupees in 2003, Maruti 800. So that time the share price of Maruti was around 1.155, and after 14 years in December 2017 it touched around 9996, almost 10,000. So in these 14 years, if we would have bought a Maruti car, so it would have been almost a scrap because it is depreciated after 14 years. But if one would have wisely invested in Maruti shares, so that 1 lakh investment could have turned to 65 lakhs in 14 years. So this is the example of money working for you without your intervention, because you only have invested one time 1 lakh rupees and just kept for 14 years and let to build the wealth. As you keep money in FD for 5 years and you forget, and after 5 years you go to bank and ask him what is the maturity, and accordingly you get it transferred because maturity slip already is with you. So similarly, Eicher Motor was around 510 in 2010. It touched 33,480 in December 2017. So almost 65 times. This stock also has given the returns. 1 lakh investment turned 65 lakhs in 8 years. HDFC Bank, हम सबका favorite bank. The share price of HDFC Bank was 41 rupees in 2003. It touched 2220 in July 2018. So it also has given whooping results of 54 times. So 1 lakh investment turned to 54 lakhs in 15 years. TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, an IT company. The share price was 220 rupees in 2009, touched 3674 in July 2018. So almost 16 times. So 1 lakh invested turned 16 lakhs rupees in 9 years. Reliance, Mukesh Ambani's company. 50 rupees share price in 2003, touched 1138 in July 2018, 23 times. So 1 lakh investment turned 23 lakhs in 15 years. So what these examples actually show you, कि for wealth creation you should invest wisely and wait patiently. Okay? So if I ask you, do you need financial advisor? Most of the people say, सर क्या मजाक करते हो, इतना पैसा है नहीं, एडवाइज़र हम लोग क्यों हायर करें? नो नीड टू ऑफ फाइनेंशियल एडवाइज़र, नो टू मच मनी. लेट्स सी. सो एक आम आदमी की रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या हो सकती है लाइफ में? ही वांट टू बाय हाउस, ही वांट टू बाय कार, चिल्ड्रंस हायर एजुकेशन, बच्चों के मैरिज और उसके खुद का रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग. सो दीज आर द 5 प्रिंसिपल थिंग्स, द बेसिक थिंग्स एवरी इंडिविजुअल हैज टू प्लान फॉर. सो अगर हम लोग एग्जाम्पल के साथ देखिए कि इन्फ्लेशन 7% से बढ़ रहा है, अगर मेरे को कार खरीदना है आज, आफ्टर 3 years, if I want to buy a car, current cost of the car is 7 lakhs. So would you say that the same cost will be there after 3 years? The cost would have also increased around 8.57 lakhs because of the inflation. If I have 2 children, first child education, higher education after 21 years, अगर करंट कॉस्ट 25 lakhs rupees है तो अराउंड 1.03 crores rupees will be required for the same education as we are expending today. Second child education after 25 years से, so again 1.35 crore for the other second child education. Daughter's marriage after 29 years. अब आज अगर हम लोग 15 लाख खर्च कर रहे हैं तो 1.06 crore, क्योंकि डॉटर के मैरिज में हमको ज्वेलरी देना पड़ता है कि नहीं, कंपेयर टू सन्स मैरिज. सन्स मैरिज के लिए अभी समझो 26 साल के अभी अवधि है. 26 साल के बाद अगर शादी करानी है बच्चे की, बेटे की, तो आज अगर हम लोग 5 लाख रुपए खर्चा करते हैं फॉर एग्जांपल, सो सेम स्टाइल ऑफ शादी करने के लिए हमको 26 साल के बाद 29 लाख रुपए लगेंगे. और आज जो भी हमारे खर्चे चल रहे हैं, सपोज करंट मंथली एक्सपेंस हमारे 30,000 रुपये मंथली हमारा खर्चा है, और अगर हमारे पास में 28 साल है रिटायरमेंट होने के लिए, अभी आपका एज समझो 30 से 35 साल में हो आप, और आपके पास ऑलमोस्ट 25 to 28 ईयर्स है रिटायरमेंट के लिए, अगर 80 साल तक भी हम लोग जी लिए तो सेम 30,000 जो आज हम लोग ज़िंदगी जी रहे हो, सेम ज़िंदगी जीने के लिए हमारे पास में 3.2 करोड़ का कॉर्पस होना चाहिए, सो दैट हम लोग अगर वो सेविंग अकाउंट में डाल के हमको उस टाइम में अगर 7% का भी रेट मिलता है तो वी कैन एटलीस्ट सर्वाइव. सर इसका अगर टोटल हम लोग लगाते हैं तो ऑलमोस्ट 7 करोड़ रुपए चाहिए टू मीट ऑल दिस रिक्वायरमेंट्स इन अवर 25 years of और 30 years of लाइफ इन फ्यूचर. तो ये 7 करोड़ कहाँ से आएंगे? क्योंकि एक आम आदमी पूरे, हमने देखा कि पूरी ज़िंदगी में 1 करोड़ भी मुश्किल से कमाता है। तो ये खर्चे जो हमने ये हिसाब से प्लान किए, तो ये कैसे हम लोग मीट आउट करेंगे? तो अभी तो आपको मालूम पड़ेगा कि व्हाई यू नीड फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर। व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर? फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर हेल्प्स इन सिस्टमेटिक इन्वेस्टिंग। वो आपका कैश फ्लो मैनेजमेंट करता है। आपका जैसा आमदनी है, आपका जैसा सेविंग है, उसको वो रिवैम्प करता है, ताकि क्या कि आपके जो फाइनेंशियल गोल्स है वो आप अचीव कर सके। आपका डेप्ट मैनेजमेंट देखता है, वो इंश्योरेंस प्लानिंग करता है, टैक्स सेविंग टू इंक्रीज इन्वेस्टेबल सरप्लस, प्रॉपर असेट एलोकेशन आपने किए है कि नहीं, जो भी आप सेविंग्स कर रहे हैं प्रॉपर असेट एलोकेशन किए है कि नहीं वो देखता है। डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ वेल्थ फॉर वेरियस गोल्स, जैसा सन्स मैरिज, डॉटर्स मैरिज, sons higher education, your retirement planning. So this is the work of financial advisor. And after acquiring these skills of this stock market, you yourself can also work as a financial advisor and give these services to the mankind, which is very essential nowadays, because we don't get any financial knowledge in our school days also, and even in our college. So this is very important that we should understand the value of money. Okay. So let's see कि when one should invest. So let's see, there are 3 friends, अमर, अकबर, एंथनी, जो आज 30 साल के हैं। रिटायरमेंट उनका 30 साल के बाद में 60 को दो रिटायर होंगे। अगर 5,000 रुपये अमर शुरुआत करता है एट द एज ऑफ 30, सो ही हैज़ अराउंड 30 ईयर्स ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट पीरियड। 30 साल के लिए वो अगर 5,000 रुपये इन्वेस्ट करता है पर मंथ, सो और उसको रेट ऑफ रिटर्न 12% का मिलता है, तो फाइनल वैल्यू जो कॉर्पस उसका बनेगा आफ्टर 30 साल के बाद में वो 1.74 CR बनेगा, क्रोर्स, 1,74 lakhs। अकबर, उसका फ्रेंड, देखा भी ये तो सेविंग कर रहा है, मैंने भी कुछ करना चाहिए, तो 5 साल के बाद वो सोचता है कि यार अभी तो मुझे जग जाना चाहिए, अभी तक सो गया तो ठीक है। पर कैसा है, अगर उसने तभी शुरू किया, आफ्टर 5 years इफ ही स्टार्ट 5,000 सेम अमाउंट, ही ऑल्सो गेट द सेम रिटर्न, बट ही हैज़ नाउ 25 years फॉर इन्वेस्टमेंट, बिकॉज 60 में सबने रिटायर होना है, ऐसा उन्होंने डिसाइड किया। तो कैसा कि फाइनल वैल्यू अमर को जो 1.74 CR मिल रही थी, वो यहाँ पे उनको 94 lakhs ही मिलेगी। एंथनी ने देखा भाई अमर भी लग गया काम पे, अकबर भी लग गया काम पे, अभी मुझे भी अपने जो अर्निंग्स है, वो सेविंग्स है, उसको वाइजली इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए। तो उसने भी उन्हीं तरीकों में डाल दिया जैसे ये लोग स्टॉक मार्केट में डाल रहे। तो कैसे है कि उन्होंने भी 5,000 का ही इन्वेस्टमेंट किया पर मंथ, 12% का रेट ऑफ रिटर्न उनको भी मिला। और उसके लिए तो 20 साल ही है, बिकॉज उसने 40 साल में शुरुआत करी, ही इज़ ऑलरेडी लेट बाय 10 years। सो 5,000 उसने 20 साल तक इन्वेस्ट किए हर महीने, तो उसको रिटर्न मिला 49 lakhs रुपीज़ ओनली। सो कॉस्ट ऑफ डिले, जो रिग्रेट ऑफ फाई है, अगर एक आदमी 25 साल में समझो 1 लाख रुपए वन टाइम इन्वेस्ट करता है और वो इन्वेस्टमेंट वो 35 years तक रखता है, सो एट द एज ऑफ 60 ही विल गेट 2.7 crores, 2,71,02,437 रुपये उसको मिलेगा एट द रेट ऑफ 10% रेट ऑफ रिटर्न। अगर वही 1 साल के बाद कोई करता है तो उसको 34 साल इन्वेस्टमेंट पीरियड है, क्योंकि उसको भी 60 में मैच्योरिटी लेना है, रिटर्न लेना है, तो वही अमाउंट हो जाता है 2.45 crores। सो ऑलमोस्ट 25 लाख से वो अमाउंट घट जाता है। ऐसा अगर देखा जाए तो अगर किसी ने 30 साल में एट द एज ऑफ 30 इफ यू इन्वेस्ट सेम 1 लाख रुपीज़ अमाउंट वन टाइम, तो वो उसको 30 साल का इन्वेस्टमेंट पीरियड मिलता है, क्योंकि 60 में उसको भी लेना है पैसा। तो वही अमाउंट अराउंड 1.64 crores होती है, 1,64 lakhs 49,402। So he has a loss of 1,06,53,035 rupees. So it is always advisable to invest early. हमारी आदत रहती है कि हम कोई भी चीज़ कल पे टालते हैं, नहीं बाद में करेंगे, कल करेंगे, कल करेंगे, कल करे सो आज और आज करे सो अब. दिस एग्जाम्पल विल ओपन योर आइज. ओके. सो लोगों को लगता है कि बहुत बार मेरे को सम्चुअस मनी ही डालेंगे तो हमको रिटर्न मिलेगा, लेकिन इतना पैसा कहाँ है इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए. मैं आपको एक सिंपल एग्जांपल बताता हूँ कि अगर किसी ने 50 रुपये दिन के भी सेव करना चाहा तो ऑलमोस्ट साल का 18,250 वो सेव करता है. अगर उसको 10% का भी रिटर्न मिलता है 30 साल के लिए अगर वो रखता है तो उसको 30 लाख रुपए मिलते हैं. उसको 12% का रिटर्न मिलता है तो 44 लैक्स उसको मिलते हैं. उसको अगर 15% का रिटर्न मिलता है तो वही अमाउंट 79 लैक्स हो जाती है. और 20% का रिटर्न मिलता है विच इज़ वेरी मच पॉसिबल विद द स्टॉक मार्केट ऑन पर एनम बेसिस. तो दैट same 50 rupees per day investment will turn to around 2 crores rupees. दिखने में बहुत छोटा है, 50 रुपए तो हर कोई सेव कर सकता है. तो that will give you very good return. So आपके सब सोच में है सर. Everything is in your mind. Whatever you think accordingly. Because we always say that share market is not a money game, it's a mind game. आप जैसा सोचोगे वैसा होगा. शुरुआत भली ही छोटी हो लेकिन उसके रिजल्ट्स इन द ड्यू कोर्स ऑफ टाइम बड़े दिखते हैं, क्योंकि कंपाउंडिंग इफेक्ट. जैसे इन्फ्लेशन कंपाउंडिंग से बढ़ रहा है, आपकी सेविंग भी, जो इन्वेस्टमेंट आप कर रहे हैं इन्वेस्टमेंट भी तो कंपाउंडिंग से बढ़ रहा है. But if you do the wise investment with proper skills and with proper knowledge, definitely you will reap the best benefits. This is the daily trading volume on NSE. What instruments are traded in equity, that stocks, almost 33,072 crores rupees exchange hands daily. In index futures, derivatives, that is nifty futures, 24,936 crores डेली एक्सचेंज हैंड्स. रोज 24,936 करोड़ का टर्नओवर होता है. इंडेक्स ऑप्शंस 3,451 crores. स्टॉक फ्यूचर्स 64,319 crores. करेंसी फ्यूचर्स 34,198 crores. So stock market is giving actually a common man a very good platform to make use of and build a wealth. And let me tell you, for this stock market we need not have any prior conditions. Like for doctors you need to have MBBS and MD, then only you can go for that. So here even a 12th pass person with the zeal of doing something in life and with the zeal of learning some new skills and dedication can work out and achieve the said results. So you have to learn how to make money with intraday or short-term trading, catch the market swings with swing trading, our swings trading strategies, build and manage your own portfolio, trade the leverage assets as we have discussed, derivatives and options, make money when the price goes down. Investment with over a long period, everything goes up. If I stay invested long enough, I will make money. Now this has gone कि भाई आज हमने शेयर लिया और बाद में 20 साल के बाद में we'll pass it on to our next generation because of the volatility in the market. So we need to always churn our portfolio. So for that you require the specified skills. You should know when to get in and when to get out. Everybody is trader and investor. He may be intraday trader, He may be swing trader, positional trader, or long-term investor. So trading facts, with practice anybody can become trader. Trading is acquired skill, and if you do it trading as a business, you will definitely succeed. Trading is risk management. मार्केट कहाँ जाएगा ये हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. हमारे हाथ में क्या है? जो हमारा पैसा है उसको हम कैसे बचाएं. हमारा पैसा बचाने के साथ साथ जो रिस्क मैनेजमेंट है, यू कैन ओनली मैनेज द रिस्क. यू कैनॉट प्लान आउट कि मार्केट इतना जाएगा उतना जाएगा. यस, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ स्टडी वी कैन प्रेडिक्ट. Sorry, we can predict. Trading gives incomes because we have some course which will give you regular income to trading. So you can trade stocks. It has no leveraging. One way, if the stock goes up, you make profit, or otherwise you have to hold. You can trade stock futures. Here you get 5 times leveraging. 1 लाख का माल आपको 20,000 में मिल जाएगा. अगर 1% मूव स्टॉक में आ गया तो आपको 5% प्रॉफिट हो जाएगा. This can be used for hedging your stock investment. You can trade index futures, nifty futures, banknifty futures. Here you are getting 10 times leveraging. एक निफ्टी का 75 का लॉट होता है. If you Nifty consists of 50 companies. If you want to buy a single share of individual 50 companies, you may require around 7.5 to 8 lakhs rupees. But for the same Nifty future, you require only 75,000 to 80,000 rupees as a margin money in your account. So if you say, for example, if you have 1 lakh rupees in your account, you can trade one lot of Nifty. And even if the market goes down, you can earn money. You can trade in both the direction and you can make money. So this is the advantage of futures, which comes under derivatives. Another is options. You can trade 3 direction, up, down, sideways. There are strategies. So market up जाए, down जाए या sideways रहे, you get 50 time leveraging in options. So 1% move will give you 50% profit. Again, this can be used for hedging your portfolio. You can trade commodities in MCX. You can trade upward, downward direction, 20 times leveraging. 1% move will give you 20% of the profit. Daily commodity like gold, silver, crude oil. You can trade Indian forex futures, USD INR, Euro INR. So here also you get 25 times leveraging. So 1% move will give you 25% of the profit. So to trade, you should know what to buy, when to buy, how much to buy, how much risk to take, and when to get out. If you have the answers for these 5 simple questions, you are a successful trader or investor. So skill set required for trading is stock selection with fundamental analysis. How you will select any stock कि अभी ये stock अच्छा है and what are the price is going on. So at this price, this is advisable to buy or not. How you will know that? So with the fundamental analysis, we can have the stock selection. Another is technical analysis, chart trading with technical analysis, stock filtering and to find out the high profit trades. Risk management methods are there. एंड मास्टरी ऑन ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म. जो प्लेटफॉर्म पे हमको काम करना है उसका भी ऑपरेशन हमें जानना ज़रूरी है. अदरवाइज हमको सब कुछ आता है लेकिन प्लेटफॉर्म पे ऑपरेट ही नहीं करना आता है तो भी दिक्कत हो. तो वी शुड नो ऑल दिस थिंग्स. 10 critical components for trading. High probability trading techniques. Trading plan aligned to your personality. Every individual should have a trading plan. Because we always say you have a plan and you trade a plan. according to your financial goals. Okay. So these are some examples what from our trade book. So Reliance share, this is positional stock trading. So Reliance share, capital used 50,000. These are the dates shown. So this buy and sell dates are shown. So we have made only 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 transactions and earn a profit of around 25,390. If we would have removed the profit, it is 25,390. If we would have reinvested the profit, so that would have been 29,582. So investment of 50,000 rupees has given 25,390 as a profit in 10 months. So that is 61% return. Nifty futures. One lot of Nifty requires almost 75,000 rupees as margin money. So these are positional strategies we are actually showing you. So here you need not be in front of screen all the while, because you see that we have purchased 25 May, then we sold on 12/6. So almost how much? 5 plus 12, almost 16-17 days holding, and earn around 6825. Loss also, because it's part of the game. So in the total transaction of around 7 or 8 transactions, we earn a profit of 90,000 rupees. So profit of 90,000 in 6 months, that means 240% return on investment per annum. This is only possible in stock market. This is a shloka from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. श्री कृष्ण अर्जुन को बोल रहे हैं, हे अर्जुन, इस कर्म योग में निश्चेत्मिका बुद्धि एक ही होती है, किंतु अस्थिर विचार वाले विवेकहीन सकाम मनुष्यों की बुद्धियां निश्चय ही बहुत भेदों वाली और अनंत होती। क्योंकि मन चंचल है, हम लोग काफी विचार करते हैं, ऑलमोस्ट इन ए minute we think almost 10,000 different विचार हमारे दिमाग में आते हैं. So what he says, what Lord Krishna says is, those with firm mind, O Arjuna, are decisive about everything. Those whose minds are infirm are not decisive in their actions, and their intellect wanders in many directions. ये करके देखेंगे, वो करके देखेंगे, मतलब जीवन में बहुत कुछ करके देखते हैं, लेकिन सक्सेस किस पे भी नहीं आते, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट कंसिस्टेंट इन देयर एफर्ट्स. सो एक चीज करो, दिल से करो, को कंसिस्टेंटली करो, डेफिनेटली आपको सक्सेस मिलेगा. आफ्टर द ट्रेनिंग यू कैन मेक मनी विथ इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग, कैच मूव्स विद द स्विंग ट्रेडिंग, बिल्ड एंड मैनेज योर ओन पोर्टफोलियो, trade leverage assets like options, make money and when price goes down, earn 25-50% per year on your stocks portfolio. So what is the importance of NISM certification? The persons or the candidates who want to do the job, the students who want to do the job in stock market firms, so NISM certification is compulsory, which is provided by SEBI. NISM helps the market participants of India to develop their financial skills to the right level and expertise. This helps them to provide high quality service and actions to anyone who wishes to invest in the financial markets. The main difference between NISM certification and NCAP certification is NISM has the authority of market regulator SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, behind it, and now its certifications offered under NCBM are optional in most of the activities of securities market in India. So NISM certification is compulsory now who wants to work in the stock market or who want to give any services to people in the stock market. So they can be pursued to test the one's knowledge. The NCM certifications are nowadays used for the testing purpose only. NISM certifications are must for any job requirements. NEC certification NCBM is online testing system for testing the practical knowledge and skills required to operate in the financial markets. National Institute of Securities Market and Indian Public Trust and Education Institute of and Staff College of SEBI established 2006 by Securities and Exchange Board of India, the regulator of securities market. So NISM as the regulator body of SEBI. So stand out in financial service sector with some outstanding skills. So how their skills can be got? How you will go get those skills? Okay, so we have various programs, we have various courses. So our first program is Certified Market Professional. So for those planning to make a rewarding career in stock market, so in this course actually you learn step by step learning from basic to expert level. Okay, so here we are having one opportunity, earn while learn. While learning you start earning. We have various options. When you visit our office, our counselor will tell you. Okay, so what actually this course consists of? In this course we teach equity, futures and options, derivatives, currency derivatives, commodity derivatives, fundamental analysis and technical analysis, how to select stock on fundamental basis, how to make the entry with the help of technical analysis. So for this course actually professional training is provided and we also provide placement assistance. So CMP Pro, as we say, is a comprehensive program for people who want to have career in financial market but not having knowledge that where to start from or how to make an entry into financial market. In this program, Stockage equips you with solid working knowledge of all the major segments of financial market: equity market, derivatives market, currency market and commodities market. You are trained in trading and operations in 4 market segments. You are also prepared for the desirable certifications from SEBI. The duration of this course is 6 months, 2 hours daily, thrice in a week. The fees for this course is 1,40,000 inclusive all. For whom this course is suitable? This course is suitable for people interested to excel in financial markets, BCom, BBA, BAF, BBI, MBA, finance, marketing students, CAs, working professionals, self-employed, businessmen, retired professionals, individuals, insurance advisors, and individuals keen to learn investing and trading in stocks professionally. We are running actually a special offer, so let me share that also with you. So if anybody enrolls this course before 31st December, the same course of 140 actually we are offering at 95,000 only. So make the most of it and take your decision. Let me share our other courses also with you. We are having SIP Pro, Professional Smart Investment Program, which gives you various income solutions for those planning to make a regular income from stock market. Learning technical analysis will give you huge profits. So technical analysis is the most read, most learned and most applied thing in the financial market. Traders, investors, news channels all talk about price movement, pattern of instruments, and as professional you need to have solid understanding of charts. SIP Pro is a comprehensive program just dedicated to technical analysis at Stockage. You will make your way from basic tools and techniques of technical analysis to advanced technical analysis. Our approach is one of trader and not of as a only teacher. After successful completion of this program, you are able to bring precision in your decision making with respect to timing of buying and selling. You also have potential to work as a technical analyst if you want to do a job. So the duration of this course is 3 months, 2 hours daily, thrice in a week, or there is an option for employed people who doesn't have much time. So we take 4 days workshop, that is full day workshop 9:30 to 6:30, and 3 months online support. The fees for this course is 50,000 rupees inclusive all. Again, a special offer up to 31st December is only 32,000 rupees. So make the most of it. The last but not the least, we have RIP, that is Rich Investor Program, for those planning for wealth creation. Those who want to create wealth, they can enroll for this program. So right mindset plus patience will give you wealth creation. So here duration is 1 month, 2 hours per day, thrice in a week, or it's a 2 days workshop and 1 month online support. The fees for this program is 28,000 rupees inclusive all, and in the special offer it's only 20,000 rupees if you enroll before 31st of December. So the key to successful investing is start early, invest regularly, choose the right asset class, and your wealth is created. The money will work for you. Home innovations, happiness promise. This is our promise from our side. So we are helping every individual to achieve their financial goals in life and achieve financial freedom. Thank you.